Pneumatic box stretch wrapping machine. Mount the retaining cap onto the film holder shaft. Place the stretch film roll onto the designated film holder shaft. Fix the locking cap securely onto the shaft. Install the spring and related components onto the shaft, secure the assembly properly, and tighten it using the bolt. Tighten the stretch film roll using an appropriate tool. Provides tight and uniform wrapping for secure and stable packaging. An emergency stop button is provided to immediately stop the machine during operation. Set the control panel by adjusting the required parameter values. Adjust the air pressure regulator by turning the control knob to achieve the desired pressure level. Place the box or product securely on the wrapping platform. Pull the stretch film manually from the roller and wrap it around the box. Press the foot pedal, the platform will rotate automatically, and wrapping will begin simultaneously. After wrapping, cut the film manually using the integrated cutter. Suitable for various box sizes and shapes for flexible usage. Improves packaging speed and reduces labor effort, increasing overall productivity. Reposition the box to the opposite side and wrap the film manually again. Activate the foot pedal to continue rotation and wrapping. Once completed, cut the film using the integrated cutter. The box is now fully wrapped with secure and uniform film coverage. Pneumatic operation ensures smooth and efficient wrapping with minimal manual effort.